Looking to gift your kids something valuable, then this is surely very good for them. It's called Brainvita and it will help keep them off the mobile for a long time. It's even useful for adults. So let me show you how this is played. So basically, when you cross over one marble, you remove the one which is underneath, and the game goes on like this till you have a single marble remaining in this whole tray. So basically, you'll just enjoy the game as I show you how it is played. This is a way of learning how to solve the game, but try to solve it without watching the video. And in case if last you're fed up after many tries, then you can refer to my video. Till then, you can follow this process. Once you have the marbles formed in this way, then you will take your next step. That is, empty the opposite two corners where the marble is filled. And then you should be left with this many marbles. After solving that full bit, you should have something like this as a design. And this is the end almost of having to do so that you have only one marble remaining. That's it. So do let me know how did you all like this game. Do share it with your kids. And for more interesting things, do not forget to subscribe to Tip Lab. Bye.